Quit playing me.
You have to pick up the phone first.
I don't know how to use this. It's not working. It's broken. Mom, it's broken. I don't hear anything.
You have to hang up.
I'm hanged up. It's not working.
Now pick it up. Just wait for a dial tone. Alejandra, show your sister how to use the phone properly. Alejandra, did you listen to see if there was a dial tone?
There. You do 7, 0.
Shit.
Oh, I think I messed up.
No, you can't do it if you messed up. No, Alejandra, you can't do it. You dialed a different number if you mess up.
I think here's your fingers. It's weird.